Hi, I'm Max Dilendorf, a crypto attorney based in New York, and welcome to episode 5 of our series for victims of cryptocurrency theft. In the last episode, we covered how to analyze your exchange's user agreement and identify the arbitration clause that governs dispute resolution. Today, we are moving to the next step, filing your demand for arbitration. To keep things clear and actionable, this episode focuses specifically on filing demand with the American Arbitration Association, or AAA. If your exchange's user agreement names a different arbitration form, such as Judicial Arbitration and Mediation Services, or JAMS, or National Arbitration and Mediation, keep in mind that the process, forms, and fee structures may differ. Always refer to the rules on the provider's website or speak with an attorney before proceeding. Arbitration is often the only legal path available once the crypto exchange denies liability for stolen funds. While it's generally faster and more cost-effective than traditional litigation, it's far from informal and certainly not without risk. Filing on your own can be a high-stakes decision that could jeopardize your claim before it even begins. Crypto exchanges often respond to arbitration claims with motions to dismiss, citing technical defenses, most notably liability waiver clauses found in their user agreements. If your demand is incomplete or improperly framed, your case could be dismissed before the final evidentiary hearing. That's why it's strongly recommended that you consult with an experienced crypto attorney before filing your claim. That said, here's the breakdown of how to file a consumer arbitration demand through AAA. First, visit adr.org and download the Consumer Demand for Arbitration form. You'll find it on the Rules, Forms, and Fees section on AAA website. This document includes several important sections that must be completed accurately. In the section titled Briefly Explain the Dispute, provide a concise and factual summary of what happened. You should work with legal counsel to identify and properly frame your legal claims. How you structure your summary matters. Your facts need to support a valid legal claim and anticipate the defenses the exchange is likely to raise. Next, under the amount in dispute, enter the total value of crypto or fiat you are seeking to recover. But keep in mind that most user agreements limit potential damages to the US dollar value of the crypto at the time the theft took place. Below that, listing additional relief you are requesting, such as interest, attorney's fees, or reimbursement of arbitration costs, if that relief is available under the applicable law. Be as specific and detailed as possible. Clarity here helps the arbitrator and exchange understand the scope of your claim. In the consumer section, provide your full contact information. If you are represented by an attorney, include their contact information as well. In the business section, list the exchange's full legal name and official service address, as specified in the user agreement. You will also need to attach a copy of the user agreement that contains the arbitration clause. This establishes jurisdiction and confirms that AAA is the designated forum. Once your demand and supporting documents are complete, submit everything through a AAA online consumer case portal, upload your files, and pay a non-refundable $225 filing fee. This applies only when consumer initiates the case. After you file, AAA will send you a confirmation email and assign a case number. With approximately 2 to 4 weeks, a case manager will be appointed and the initiation letter will be sent out to both parties. The exchange then has 14 days to submit its response. Keep in mind, arbitration is formal legal proceeding. Even though it's handled privately, legal standards and consequences are real, and the stake in your filing, legal argument, or compliance with procedure can jeopardize your entire claim, especially when dealing with crypto exchanges that rely on complex liability waivers and procedural defenses. That's why proceeding without experienced legal counsel can be risky. If you need assistance with any part of the arbitration process, from preparing your demand to managing discovery or handling responses, reach out to a qualified crypto attorney who understands the space. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in episode 6.